friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Cookie. I will share with you all the detail about this project. You can join their pre-sale. At the pre-sale their price is low, but in future their price will increase. It is also listed on CoinMarketCap and all other exchanges. I will share all the exchanges in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But starting before the video, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of the new projects which I have shared, and you can get more about it too. So don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon to all. So now I will share with you about this brilliant project. This video is for educational purpose. If you want to do investment, do your own research. It is not for financial purpose. So do your own research before investing in these projects. So you can see it here. It is the Cookie, and they have total supply which is 500T, and total staking is 111T. You can see it here. Total dollar lunk bun is 110 million. So you can see they have the given about the coin market cap, their lung, soul, and all other that you can see from here too. So if I go below, you can see this cute little given here about the lung Cookie. Their logo is given. You can see that it is now on Solana too. Now on Solana, this is, so as you know, Solana is also the biggest exchange, so it is on that. Dollar Cookie is on Solana. Their supply is 1 billion tokens, and their pool is 500 million token, and you can see about their stake is 500 million tokens. So you can see it is have a biggest supply here. So must go and join, but do before investing, do your own research too. So you can see here are the things you can earn, just bake it. So you can see profit streams are given. They have diverse profit stream and high yield opportunities. They have given the different things that from where you can be able to make money on it too. So you can see it here. They have token staking which is given here. You can view the token staking. I will share here. There is a token staking here. By staking your asset, you can lock up a token in the lung Cookie ecosystem and earn consistent passive income. So you can be able to work on it. You can see it here. All the lung Cookie and other details is given. There is also their different given is NFT. So I will go back and share that with you too. Here you can see the next one is their being, you can see NFT. I will share. You can go for Cookie NFT, go beyond collectibles. They are powerful assets that generate consistent reward. Holder benefit from multiple earning opportunities, including trading fees, share every 15 days, and NFT staking for daily rewards. You can even stake the NFTs, and also you can stake these too. So you can see their detail is given. Their APR is 0.5% trading fee. So you can see all other from here too. So now I will go back and share further here. So you can see it here. The next profit stream and given is here about the arbitrage. You can make money by the arbitrage, unlock the power of Cookie arbitrage, and when you can trade seamlessly across top pools like BTC, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, SHIB, and more. Take advantage of market fluctuation, execute profitable trades, and maximize your earning in the Cookie system. So you can see it here. They all given is here. So now I will just go back further and share with you the other details which is given here. So you can see they have different streams which is given here. You can even get a token staking. You can do NFT staking. You can even hold NFTs and sell them in the future as the price will increase. You can do cross stake which is DeFi here. So you can see with Cookie cross staking, you can stake your Cookie token and earn reward in your various assets, including major cryptocurrencies and IBC tokens, as we know about these IBC tokens. So this innovative staking model allows you to diversify your earning while benefiting from a 50% APR. So as you can see, they have diverse things. So if you do your research and go in it, it's the goodest opportunity for you. It is the best opportunity that you can work from, getting income from NFTs, arbitrage, and all the other cross stake and farming. They have also the farming. I will share with you about the farming to step into the Cookie word on. You can see Terra support and start farming with the incredible 82% APR. Farm your tokens and watch your rewards grow in a fun and engaged ecosystem where technology meets the reward. So I share all the details. So further I will go to their basically sale too, though you can join the sale at that time. Their price is low, but in the future their price will increase. Just be like, you can see there's the cutest logo is given here. You can see the cookie hunter, the Looney, the cookie hunter, the spirit of Lung Cookie. So you can see it here, Looney, the fearless cookie hunter. So it is the cookie hunter, which is official mascot of Lung Cookies. His mission is to bring fun, excitement, and rewards to the Luna Classic community. So you can see it here. They have the weather staking, trading, hunting for the biggest opportunity. You can even trade it here. So I will just open this link and share with you the further about it. So you can see step into the cooking universe where the fun never ends. So you can see you can go for the NFT giveaways. They will do that. You can join these giveaways and be a part of these giveaways, and you can even earn from them too. So you can see you can get the rewards, and they have the AI generator. They have play game. You can play game, make fun, do excitement things, and make money in that. So you can see there is given the different things like you can see cookie, bake it, and back to top. You can see it here. So all the details I shared that with you about the website. So now I will go for their pink sale on you can see the pink sale will ends in 22 days, 2 hours 22 minutes approximately. So it is going on, so must go and join that. You can see at that time they have 3.175 BNB, and which is $2k approximately. They will complete 100 BNB, which is $63.5k. You can even connect your wallet. For connecting wallet, you can connect it here, and you can enter the amount that how much you want, and which is the one or anything, estimating the you will receive to you can see it here like 25 lakh cookies from here. So you can even do the affiliate details here. So the contact address is given. You just have to copy it and go to your wallets and address. This is the address for the token. You can see the name and cookie. Their decimal is 18. Their total supply is given here, which I shared with you already. They have the manual listing, and address is given here. You can see for that token pre-sales. First release for pre-sale is 25%. Their initial market cap is given. Soft cap is 25 BNB. Hard cap is 100 BNB. 1 BNB is equal to, you can see a 25 here lakh cookies. So start time is given, which is 9 May 2025, and it will be end on 31st May 2025. So you have 1 month here, so must go and join. You can see minimum buy is 0.1 BNB, and you can buy with maximum 5 BNB here. Current raise is 3.17%. Total contributors are 6. So you can go, and they have 25% each 14 days. Sale type is public, so it is public sale. Unsold tokens are given here. You can see all the details. There are contributors who have buy from 2.24, 0.25, 0.1, and all other, which is the dollars amount is given here. The market value, you can go for their affiliate program and see that the pre-sale and the unlocked here. All the detail is given, so you can see I already share all these details. So now if I go back to the site, I will want to share with you about the coin market cap listing. So you can see it is listed on the coin market cap. Its price is given here, so it's going up and down. You can see at that time its price is low. I will recommend you to must buy it as the price will goes up. You can see there is 7.46% up. You can see it here, so you can make money on it too. So I will go further, and here is there. It is on Coin Hall. You can see cookie over Lung. You can see it here. The price is here also going. You can see 3.67% from the last 7 days, and 7.32% from last 24 hours. You can see it's going up. So it is a good opportunity. So you can do your own research too. And on JUP AG, you can see its price is given, and you can see all the details. And if you want to do more, here is the cookie swap. You can even swap cookie, and here in different, like you can even change if you want to sell it, if you want to do, and then you can do that here. You can even change it into the soul or anyone else you want to do. Here you can see you have to give the slippage, and after that you can connect the wallet and do it here. So you can also join them on their Telegram too. You can be a part of their community. It is a good project. Must go and join them on Telegram so that you can get to know about their community too. You can also join them on their Twitter too. So I share all the details, so must go and join their pre-sale, do your own research too. And if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.